Okay, so today I'll show you how to trim some clip art into an opening, either as a single mat or a double mat. So first of all, we start off as normal with our outside mat board size, width, height and borders, and bring in our template. Okay, so from here I'm going to go straight into the openings tab, into clip art, go to the desired clip art segment and find the photo we need. So I'm going to choose the kangaroo and press done. We can click the maintain proportion and type in the size you need, or you can just click the node and drag it as you need it. So if it's just going to be a single mat and you want as much of the shape into the opening, just make sure that the clip art is at least overlapping the template. Select the two, go to advanced, come down to trim. Now I can come back and select the kangaroo and delete it. So now it's part of the mat. So now I'll show you how to double mat with a bit more overlay. So we'll undo. So now you can see that the kangaroo is overlaying. So I'm going to overlay it more. I will copy and paste, drag the kangaroo to the other side, and from the advanced tab, mirror, I'll spin it around. Okay, so now I'm going to trim the shapes. So I selected. You can see that the shape is, trimming tool is live. If I try and trim any more than two shapes, the trimming tool is no longer available. So I need to trim these two. So click and drag to select the next two. All right, so where before we would delete these, we're not going to do that. Now we're going to make them on the second mat. So click the kangaroo, come over to our layers and make it on the second mat. Remember to press enter after you've typed it. Click the other kangaroo, press layer 2, enter. So now they're on the second layer. Now select my original opening size. You'll notice that you cannot make a second layer with this because it has been trimmed. So I'm going to use the insert contour shape. So 5mm reveal on the second mat. Press OK. Now what I'm going to do is, while that's selected, I'm going to press the control button and select both kangaroos. I'm going to come to the advanced tab, shaping tools, and press merge. And there we go. So the mat actually trims or merges into the other side, so the kangaroo looks complete rather than just disappearing. Thank you.